Hello LearnDash users. Do you want to bulk import Japanese language quizzes in LearnDash? If yes, just watch this video to know how easy it is to import quizzes in the Japanese language using our import plugin. First, download our quiz import template from our quiz settings page. Note that the answer type must be written in English language only, no matter that you are importing quizzes in Japanese language. Next, fill questions, answer options columns. If your correct answer is option A, write alphabet A in the answer column. If you have question and answer pictures, you can fill the URL here. Fill points column to set marks. You import the question category by filling the category column. If you want to attach quiz to the specific course or lesson or topic, you need to mention the exact same name in these columns. You can attach course, lesson or topic by mentioning the relevant ID column. After filling our import template, you need to save this template in either XLSX or CSV format. Now, it's time to upload your file into your website. That's it. You can see all Japanese quizzes are imported successfully in LearnDash and attached to the course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to LearnDash LMS.